Everybody, today I be making concentrate from my sand, which one contains the gold, and I want to see how much gold I can get it. Okay, sand is like this. It's like regular sand, but this is, in this sand we have microscopic gold. Okay, and I still looking the way to recover that gold. It's very small sand, but what to do? We need to figure out how to get that gold out. I collect next to the river. I try to pan. This is half a bucket of concentrate from half a bucket of that sand. Right now I put hydrochloric acid and try to dissolve everything what is there, what I don't need it, all those metals. So right now is working, is getting yellow, so we'll see what we get. So I decanted that solution. You see how strong, and spin it and look in the bottom, and I see microscopic gold all over the place. So now I be putting aqua regia in this using potassium nitrite, and I leave a little water because I want that potassium nitrite to dissolve, getting like very little potassium nitrite, and try to dissolve it, let him a little bit get warm, and we'll see what's happened next. Okay, potassium nitrite is on, so this is we're putting away, and let's say is dissolve it, and now we're adding hydrochloric acid. Okay, that'd be enough. It's not so much gold, there's just a few specks, but they're microscopic. Okay, let him get hot. Okay, solution getting hot, started bubbling and getting in dark, so means we have something else here. I think pirates dissolving in aqua regia, so we'll see. Let him see. On the surface I have sulfur swimming. It means in that sand is plenty of pirates. Okay, and when we put an aqua regia, pirates dissolves, and what's left is just sulfur swimming on the surface of this solution, and everything slowly dissolving, and we can check, do we have a gold? So I decided to make a test for gold. I add some urea in the spoon, and this is stannous chloride. So let's, oh wow, see what's happened? This means we have plenty of gold in that sand. See, it's getting okay, let's see. Yeah, so I need to figure out how to get that gold. That is a big amount of gold. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, now reaction. So I need to figure out how to get that gold from that sand. There's a lot of sand. If you get like, one time I got half a gram from 5-gallon bucket. To filtrate and add fresh solution to these rocks. Okay, because looks like reaction stop, but I think there is more gold. Gold is not easy to dissolve. Okay, so some urea to kill the nitric if there is still, or looks like is. Okay, and let him precipitate. I want to know how much gold is there. It's just I paned half a bucket of that sand, so very interesting how much gold is there. So adding urea till I see bubbles coming. We wait till they stops, and then we add. Oh, you see, gold is there. My pipette was dirty. It's a lot of gold, I think. No, how to say a lot. Gold is never is a lot, but it's like this. Okay, now let's put stannous chloride. Okay. Okay, let's see. Wow, that is a good. I like it. And another one. Wow, I love it to see the black color. So let him precipitate, and then we filtrate, and we'll see what's happening now. With this one, I adding everything again, adding more potassium nitrite. Okay, and adding hydrochloric acid. Where is this thing? I change every time places. Okay, and I putting on the heat. Let him get hot, and we continue. We'll see what's happening. Okay, but see how color? That color, when you see, it's a good sign. Okay, there is a lot of gold. So this kind of, when you filtrate, you can filtrate right away. You can smelt it straight if you're using microwave. But if you're using torch, you can't smelt this thing. So I never use torch. I be working with this, and then when I get the gold, then I can play with this gold and do refining and everything else. So right now what my goal is to get the gold out, and then we work with that gold. That first one what I washed with the hydrochloric acid, I decided to add some stannous chloride in this place, and you see everything became brown. So there is maybe not the gold, but there's some kind of metal is there. So let him settle down, and a little bit later I will do something. Now this is second time I doing that reaction. Let's see, do we have a gold? Okay. Urea, at least a little bit. Then I get true answer, do we have gold or not. Yeah, still. But you see, it's already weak. It's still there, but very weak. So keep it till bubbles coming, and as soon as they stop coming, I stop it. So never ending. I don't know what is this dissolving. Maybe it's just something. So let's see what situation we get here. Okay, solution is still hot. Let's add urea. You see, when you're adding urea, they're bubbling if there is nitric, you see? On the top too. So why I say non use very strong nitric acid, because when you add the urea, then everything runs away. When you working with the weak stuff, then you not get that runaway reaction. So let's see. That way I agitating and letting dissolve faster. And now adding hydrochloric sinus chloride. Okay, let's see. You see, after it's already weak. There is gold, but it's not like in first time. First time you got a yellow, now just purple. You see? That's it. So that means no more gold here. So I can easy to stop this reaction. You know what? Let's put this one back, everything here, and see, because I don't like it when after hydrochloric acid, I get everything black. So that means gold dissolved with hydrochloric acid. That sand maybe contains some kind of oxidizer or something, because you see what's happened. Gold dissolves in hydrochloric acid. Because of that, there is manganese dioxide, I think, in that sand. Okay, so that is powerful oxidizer and it dissolves that gold with the hydrochloric acid. So right now I didn't do nothing. It's just making hot. Let him dissolve everything and see what kind of stuff I getting. Already hot, so I decided to add some hydrogen peroxide to dissolve faster. And look what's happening when I adding hydrogen peroxide. I don't want to change the color. Okay. Huh? Okay, looks like dissolve it. Okay. Let him work for a while, and then we will see what we got it, because I suspicious why that hydrochloric acid dissolve the gold. That sand contains something. Okay. So let's see. Now everything dissolved. Let little bit. Let him some urea. And like you see, I added hydrogen peroxide, and there are no nitric. Urea works differently. Okay, there's no bubbles. So let's see what kind of concentration I getting here. Ah, okay. It's just little purple, weak one. So that's it. All gold is dissolved, so no point even play anymore. So just filtrate and collect the gold. Fill it up my beakers, adding stannous chloride. Let him precipitate. See, there is a weak. It's no point, but I collect everything. When you let him coagulate and then I filtrate everything, gold stays on the filter. All the juice I reuse it. I take tin metal out and be okay. So no more gold in that sand. What here? So ready to wash it, and you see how weak. That's it. There is few atoms, nothing to compare what was in the beginning. Black one, still black. So let him stay for another half hour, then I start filtrating. Pass it like half hour, I ready to filtrate, and after everything filtrates, I be recycling this tin metal. Okay. Yeah, filtrates all this stuff. And you see on the bottom there, it's like dust, some kind of. See, that is our gold. It's black color, but it's gold. And those ones, they are not concentrated, but it's good to wash my beakers in the solution. Okay. Okay, we're putting everything and let him stay. This is easiest way to recover gold without any problems. I didn't have any problems. So the sea solution is clean. It contains just stannous chloride, tin metal. So that one later I recover. Well, like you see, gold almost finishing. So I decided start process of removing tin metal and rest what is the metal, some kind of palladium or platinum. So let him work. Right now I be adding some zinc to remove this tin metal. Okay. See, right away tin metal swims on surface. That is good thing. And tin metal precipitates another metals too. So that way everything is in tin. And then when I dissolving that tin metal making stannous chloride, I getting powder. That powder can be platinum or palladium, I don't know yet, but I collecting that powder. You see how easy to recover that tin metal. It swims on the surface. That is the main best part of this business. Okay. And that takes like few minutes and all that tin back comes back. And if there was in that solution some kind of palladium or platinum, it comes too with the tin. Okay, and then you just see tin metal, you can clean it with a spoon. And I guarantee there is some kind of metals, because I'm not getting what I want to get. It's yeah, the guarantee is another metals, but it's okay. So right now my business is to remove all tin, and then we will see what kind of metals we get. When you put that recycled tin in hydrochloric acid, I getting debris, black powder. And that black powder can be anything else, what I don't know yet. So this is like very good reactions to remove everything. I can use aluminum, the same thing, but right now I have a here tin metal ready, but aluminum is better. Ooh, too much. You see? Oh, full spoon of tin metal. It's gray color. And I here have way collecting from my another experiments. And this is how easy tin comes out. Okay. I wish gold comes that way. Tin is very easy. And main thing, that tin precipitates another metals. And when you finish this precipitation reaction, this water becomes clear, like nothing left there. Just plain water. Right now I still have some kind of dark stuff. Okay? So that way means we have another metals in this solution too. Okay. Solution getting clean. Almost, if not those bubbles, be clean almost. So you see all metals comes out easy. And what here is a tin on surface, you see? You just let him little bit work. When the bubble stops, it coagulates. And then you transfer to your beaker. Or here, all my tin, what I recovered is like few grams. This is a lot of tin, you know. If you need to buy it, this costs the money. Oh, you see how collecting the tin. Up. You see? That way you don't waste your tin. How much tin you need. I just reuse it later on. Okay. Okay, you see solution is almost clean. So I add a little bit aluminum later. And how is my gold doing? Oh, very little. So, and not so much left. Tin is recovered. Right now gold almost finished. Let's transfer everything to the beaker and try to recover that gold. Okay, you see this all black stuff is a gold, and here a little bit I need to take it out, collect it. All gold, and I putting on the heat, let him little bit dry out. Okay, and then I put in microwave. I have gold. There be not a lot, guys, not a lot, but little by little. And main thing, there was experiment to figure out how I can recover that gold from sand. What I have a lot of sand contains gold, and I want to figure out how to do it. Okay, this is tin metal and another metals inside too. So right now I add some little piece of aluminum, which one finish the process, everything be out, and by tomorrow morning I have this clean solution. Everything swims on the surface, because tin grabs another metals and they swims together. And when I dissolve the tin in hydrochloric acid, I get a black powder on the bottom, and that can be precious metals. Okay, see how much tin I recover. Try to buy that, it's like 10 grams. Okay, so when you're working with this kind of method, you need to save everything because everything is expensive. So let him, it's already getting hot. And it's, believe me, here on the side, you see that little dots? This is last time I little spill it on the side. And this is the gold droplets everywhere. You see the gold droplets. When I finish with this crucible, I break it and remove it, all that gold. Almost dry out. It's still smoking, but it's okay. No time to play. Let's put it in microwave. Okay, close it. Set time 10 minutes because I need to burn that everything, and start. And let him work. Easy, yeah? Okay, finish. 10 minutes. Everything red. Ooh. I don't see nothing. Everything sink in the bottom. So this is not a lot of gold, guys. So now let him cool down a little bit. Okay. When it cools down, then you can see the gold. It's not when you're working with little amount, not expect a lot. So it's okay. Oh, I see one piece. Where is that? Whoa, little piece on the side somehow. Need to cool down. Okay. And now, if you want to collect this one, you need to add another piece of gold to get it. Oh, it's two pieces. Somehow on the side, you see? Here. Oh, here looks like one. Here. They all over the place. Okay. So now, if I want to collect this gold, I need to add another piece of gold, which one is bigger, and it collects all those microscopic pieces. Okay, right now let him cool down, forget it. Thanks for watching. I finished with the video, and this I'll be removing a little bit later because this is not worth, but you know, little by little. Okay, that I like it. You see that this is red hot, and I holding with the hands, it don't even get hot. Okay, let's go inside, and that's it. I'm done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.